the 5 ways on how you can make money in Abuja real estate in the year 2026. In fact, moving forward, a lot of people do not know these hacks, and I'm going to share with you. Everybody thinks that real estate is just about buying and selling of land. But in this video, I'm going to list out to you 5 ways on how you can make money in this real estate business. And I'll tell you for a fact that the last point will definitely shock you or possibly surprise you. If you're seeing us for the first time, do not hesitate to hit the like button or subscribe to the channel for more content like this. The first one is through a rent. You can make money by getting 3-bedroom apartments, and it doesn't have to be your own. You get to lease it or rent it out to 3 people who get to pay you either yearly or daily, as the case may be. You can get this 3-bedroom apartment, you furnish it, and also use it as a short stay, or what we know as Airbnb apartment. Many visitors coming to Abuja for businesses, weddings, trainings, conferences prefer shortless apartments now over hotels. So this is one way you can actually take opportunity of and start making money using this method. Trust me, over a period of time, you realize that you've done little, you constantly get cash flows coming to you. The second point is making money through commission. This is how people entered real estate with little or no capital. How do they do that? You connect buyers to properties and you get paid for it. You connect tenants to the landlords and you get paid for it. You also connect investors to opportunities and you get paid for it. Every successful transaction can earn you a commission, and that is another way you can make money in real estate here. Remember, you don't need to own that property. All you need to do is to be the middleman connecting two people. You simply need to connect the right people, and that is all. The third one is becoming a connector in the hospitality business. This is quite new, but a lot of people are already maximizing this opportunity. So Abuja hosts a lot of conferences, church programs, trainings, government events, and corporate meetings every week or every other week. Hotels are constantly looking for customers or people who can use their facility. If you recommend a hotel and bring in paying guests, you can negotiate a referral commission from the hospitality business. Imagine helping an organization book a 50-room for people coming in for the event. This single connection can help put money into your account, especially if you know how to do it. So sometimes the biggest opportunities isn't just in owning the asset, or in this case, the hotel. It is in controlling relationships and bringing them together, and everybody is happy. The fourth way on how you can make money in real estate is buy distressed properties and then resell it. Not every profitable property looks beautiful. Sometimes all you need to do is to add a little touch, a little value to it, and you get to sell it for a fortune. Some owners need urgent cash. A lot of people are in their need of cash, but they have assets they are willing to share. So you can come halfway, buy it up from them, touch it up a little bit, and get to sell it for maximum profits. Smart investors buy these properties below market value because people need urgent cash. They fix the obvious problems and resell at a higher price. That is one massive way you can also make money in real estate. Profit is often hidden inside properties that other people are giving up on already. So here brings us to the last point, which is leasing your land to farmers. So you have a property, but you don't even know you can give it out to farmers to farm for a fortune. So if you own a land in the outskirts of Abuja and you're not ready to build anything on it, don't just leave it idle. Look around the environment. You can be sure to see people who are willing to lease it for you. They get to farm on the land. In fact, keep it secure for you, and you get to earn an income, whether monthly or yearly as the case may be. The land keeps appreciating, and at the same time generates cash flow for you. Your land can grow crops and also grow wealth at the same time if you put it into good use. So this brings me to a question I'm going to ask you watching this video. If you have an opportunity of getting 1 acre of land, what are the first points, or what are the things you are going to do to make sure that that property starts making money for you? Are you going to earn commission using it, or are you going to get hospitality referrals? Or what is it you can do with that property or that 1 acre of land for you to start yielding money for you? If you like this video, do not forget to like it, and also let's hear from you in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for amazing content like this. If you're also looking to own property right here in Abuja, do not hesitate to reach us on the number showing on screen, where we'll help you buy safe and profitable real estate right here in Abuja. See you in our next video, and bye.